During the months of January and February, the winter is usually in full swing. Cold air and any snow that's surrounding our homes make our heating systems work harder than ever to keep us warm, which can only mean one thing: increased energy costs. The good news here is that there are ways to cut these losses, whether your home is old or in the process of constructing a brand new dream home. Following these tips will help you to keep your bills down and your spirits warm. Number 5. Take care of the maintenance schedules for your appliances. Most of us take care of our cars so that they run better and last longer. Well, guess what? Your appliances will benefit from the same love here too. Follow the manufacturer's recommendation schedules for your heating appliances and they will work better and last longer. There are many ways to reduce your energy bills, and these tips are just the beginning. If you want to learn more or set up a virtual home energy assessment, visit us online at Neeeco.com today so we can help you to start saving tomorrow.